Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Eka Nugraha. I will answer 5 questions from Islamic religious education lesson. Number 1. Explain the meaning of bid'ah linguistically and technically. In terms of language, the word bid'ah comes from the Arabic language, which means something new or innovation in the sense of Lugawi language. Bid'ah refers to everything created or held without the previous example or model. Bid'ah in language do not always have negative connotation because it only shows a new or has never been before. Technically, bid'ah in Islam is all form in innovation or addition available in religious affairs, especially in terms of worship and faith, which do not have the basis of the Quran, Sunnah, consensus, or qiyas, legal analog. In other words, bid'ah is culty introduction in religion after the death of the Prophet Muhammad SAW, who has never been taught is sanctified or mandated by him. Thus, technically, bits are usually related to change in the procedure of worship, belief, or religious rules that change or add to things that have been determined by law. Ulama have different opinions in assessing whether the bid'ah is always bad or it can be good, so that there is the term bid'ah hasanah, good bid'ah, and sayyi'ah, bad bid'ah. And number 2, what are the classification of bid'ah according to Imam Al-Iz Abdus Salim? Having 5 groups according to Imam Al-Iz Abdul Salim, namely 1. Bid'ah wajibah and mandatory bid'ah. Number 2, and bid'ah mandubah, expense of bid'ah. And bid'ah makruhah, bid'ah which immoral, bid'ah mubaha, bid'ah that is allowed, and 5. Bid'ah muharramah and haram. Number 3. What are the classification of bid'ah according to Imam Shafi'i? According to Imam Shafi'i, not all bid'ah are bad or forbidden, but there is classification of bid'ah based on the benefit or appropriateness with Islamic teaching. He divided the bid'ah into 2 groups, namely, and 1. Bid'ah hasanah. Bid'ah hasanah is all innovation on things that do not conflict with the basic principle of Islamic law and bring benefit to Muslims. And number 2, bid'ah sayyi'ah, bad bid'ah. Bid'ah sayyi'ah is a new innovation or culty that contradicts the basic principle of Islam, both in terms of creed, on and worship. Thus, bid'ah considered illegal because they change or add to something that has been determined in the law without basis. And number 4, what is bid'ah hasanah, and give some example of it. Bid'ah hasanah is the innovation or new practice in Islamic religious which is considered good and useful for people without culture to the principle of law. Number one, compilation of the Quran in the form of books. And number two, the second call to prayer or prayer. Number three, school development or madrasa. And number five, four, the celebration of the prophet birthday. And number three, the use of microphones in a mosque. And then number five, what is bid'ah say'ah, and give some example of it. Bid'ah say'ah in innovation or update in religion that is considered bad and forbidden because it deviates from the teaching of Islam. The word say'ah means bad or evil, so say'ah refers to all forms of practice that do not have the basis of the Quran and Sunnah and carries damage in religious affairs. This innovation is considered heritage because not only is not exemplified by the Prophet Muhammad SAW, but also against the main teaching in Islam, both in worship and belief. Number two, adding to the reading in prayer that the Prophet did not teach, to specializing worship at certain times without argument. Three, celebrating baseless warning in Islam. And four, perform practice of search. Thank you. That is all for question for 5 questions. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.